Open the SmartGo application, select SLAM mode. After selection, you can switch the working mode in the settings at the upper right corner of the software. In the device connection interface, choose the Wi-Fi name starting with SLAM XXXX. After successful connection, check the device battery level and remaining storage space on the main interface. Confirm whether the device firmware and software are up to date. And verify whether the device license has expired. If the license has expired, please contact your local CHC navigation distributor or support team for assistance. Next, click Device Diagnostics to check the status of all current device sensors. Click Start Capture. Enter the data acquisition interface. Click the collection icon and give your project a name.